Microsoft is adding a new image AI feature to Windows 11 Copilot. Windows Copilot currently has little to offer, but this could change soon. Microsoft is adding a new feature that lets you capture the screen and ask the AI to explain it. This new feature, called Add a Screenshot, is rolling out to the general public, but it may not show up for everyone. The new Add a Screenshot button in the Copilot panels lets you capture the screen and directly upload it to the Copilot or Bring panel. When the screenshot is uploaded to Copilot on Windows 11, you can ask Bing Chat to discuss it. You can ask anything related to the screenshot. This is similar to the existing image upload feature in Copilot Microsoft.com or Bing.com chat, but the integration is more optimized for screenshots. In the blue example, we ask Copilot to explain a screenshot of recycle bin and it is quickly offered a short description. Since Microsoft Edge Power Copilot, its screenshot feature also allows you to draw over the screenshot or add specific instruction that Copilot and can see. If you can access ChatGPT 4 Turbo, which is rolling out to select people, you can even ask Windows Copilot to explain emotions, including those depicted in abstract pictures. This is available to select user only, picked up randomly, but Microsoft plans to expand the rollout in the coming weeks. Copilot is the next big thing for Windows 11. Microsoft emphasizes Copilot as a central feature across its products, including Office and Windows. Later in 2024, Microsoft will add a dedicated Copilot button to Windows hardware as part of its efforts to simplify people computing experience. Microsoft wants Copilot everywhere. This should not be a secret to anyone, and we have also highlighted it is our previous reports in a big post. Microsoft recently confirmed its plans to add a Copilot keys to the Windows keyboard on the older hardware. You can access Copilot with Windows plus C keyboard shortcut. Microsoft is marketing the change as most significant upgrade to Windows keyboard. It is nearly 3 decades and it is comparing it with the introduction of the Windows Start key. Copilot will be entry point into the world of AI on the PC, Microsoft said, and it confirmed that new generation hardware will ship with the Copilot key.